got the game set, so don't complain yet. 24/7, never begging for a rain check. Old school soldiers passing out the hot that rock and bounce in the mosh pit. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 Hey ladies, hey fellas, and the people that don't give up. All the lovers, all the haters, and all the people that call themselves players. Hot mamas, pimp daddies, and the people rolling up in caddies. Hey rockers, hip hoppers, and everybody all around the world. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. 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 Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Hands up, now hands down. Tell me what you gonna do now. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Keep rolling, 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 rolling.
Yo, get it twisted. This rap is mine, mother. Start up game. What you heard, it's what you hearing. It's what you hearing. Listen, it's what you hearing. Listen, it's what you hearing. Listen. X gon' give it to you. Wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. With the non-stop pop out from stainless steel. Go hard, getting busy with it. But I got such a good heart that I make the mother wonder if you did it. Damn right, and I do it again. Cause I am light, so I got to win. Break bread with the enemy. No matter how many cats I break bread with, I break who you sending me. You motherfucker never wanted nothing but your life saved. That's on a life day, I'm getting down, down. Like it said freeze, but won't be the one ending up on his knees. Please, if the only thing you can't steal came out to play, stay out my way. Mother, first we gonna rock, then we gonna roll, then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. First we gonna rock, then we gonna roll, then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. He ain't never gave nothing to me, but every time I turn around, cats got their hands out, wanting something from it. I ain't got it, so you can't get it. Let's leave it at that, cause I ain't with it. Hit it with full strength, I'm a jail, so I face the world like a girl in the bullpen. You against me, me against you. Whatever, whenever you gon' do, I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing. Only that you know who can chill, come back and get the streets open. I've been doing this for 19 years. Wanna fight me, fight these tears. I put in work and it's all for the kids. But these cats done forgot what work is. They don't know who we be looking. They don't know who they see. First we gonna rock, then we gonna fold, then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. First we gonna rock, then we gonna fold, then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. Hey yo, where am I? Dad, I know I got them down in the greens, give them love and they give it back. Talk too much for too long. Don't give up, you're too strong. Love to the wild, wild hunters. Shout out to that done it. And it ain't even about the dough. It's about getting down for what you stand for, yo. For real. We gonna rock, then we gonna roll, then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. First we gonna rock, then we gonna roll, then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. First we gonna rock, then we gonna roll, then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you, he gon' give it to you.
Ooh, gotta be cool, baby, you know what I'm saying? Jump out your car in the middle of the street. Open up the trunk, let the bass beat. Go ahead. Go ahead. You gotta walk up in the club barefooted. I like that booty, you know where to put it. Go ahead. Go ahead. Now mama, you look so professional, I'm following you, sweating you. I can't believe I'm doing what I'm doing. What is wrong with my head? But go ahead. Cause baby, I like how you working it. I'm watching you, you twerking it. I'm trying to get you out of this club and get you off in my bed. Go ahead. Yeah. Now let me see that booty work, 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 booty work. Go ahead. Go ahead. Now let me see that booty work, booty work, booty work, booty work. Left cheek, right cheek, left cheek. Show up, show up, show up, show up, boom. Show up, show up, show up, boom. Pause. Black car, black rim, black shirt, black Tim, Lego, Lego, baby, keep on doing what you doing. Lego, come on, baby, keep on doing what you doing. Holy moly, look at her, she got the boots, with the fur, Lego, come on, baby, keep on doing what you doing. Lego, come on, baby, keep on doing what you doing. Now, mama, I can see that thong on you. The DJ play this song for you. I'm trying to drive my stick shift all over the curves. Say word. If you keep playing with my fitted, we gon' get it, get it, get it. Girl, I represent the net before a click, so I know that you heard. Say word. Now let me see that booty work, 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 booty work. Go ahead. Go ahead. Now let me see that booty work, booty work, booty work, booty work. Left cheek, right cheek, left cheek. Show up, show up, show up, show up, yeah. Show up, show up, show up. Well, it must be a crime to be as fine as you, You know exactly what I'm trying to do. You see me? I'm trying to keep it jumping. Girl, I got a Chevy with hydraulics and you reminding me of it. Up and down, girl, you know what's happening. Round of applause. Keep that booty clapping. Them other girls lacking what you packing. And you got them embarrassed by what you got from your parents. I'm trying to see them shorts, spread apart. I ain't coming up short, Kevin Hart. Now take off. Come on, baby, keep on doing what you're doing. Take off. Come on, baby, keep on doing what you're doing. Move your feet, cut a rug. Put your hands up if you the baddest in the club. Take off. Come on, baby, keep on doing what you're doing. Girl, I'm trying to get you next to me, but first you gotta let me see that booty work, 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 booty work. Go ahead.
Put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do?
24 karat magic in the air.
Head to toe, so clear. Look out.
Pop, it's showtime.
Guess who's back again?
Oh, they don't know. Oh, they don't know. I bet they know as soon as we walk in.
Shut up.
I'm wearing Cuban links,
Yeah.
designer mix,
Yeah.
Inglewood's finest shoes.
Whoop, whoop.
Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself.
Known to give the color red the blues.
Woo, shit. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket.
Keep up.
So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket.
Keep up.
Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jacking.
Keep up.
Players only.
Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do?
24 karat magic in the air.
Head to toe, so clear.
Look out. Second verse for the hustlers. Gangsters. Bad bitches and your ugly ass friends. I cannot preach. I cannot preach. I gotta show them how I pimp get it in. First, take your sip. Do your dip. Spend your money like money ain't shit.
Ooh, we too fresh.
Got to blame it on Jay-Z. this? Hashtag blessed. They ain't ready for me. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jocking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? What you trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so bad. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so bad. Everywhere I go, they be like, ooh, so bad. Now, watch me break it down like,
24 karat, 24 karat magic.
what's that sound?
24 karat magic.
Come on now.
24 karat, 24 karat magic.
Don't fight the feeling, invite the feeling, just
Put your pinky rings up to the
moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? Tell me what you're trying to do. 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear.
Put your pinky rings up to the
Moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe so clear. Look out.
Sumagsakot makinig ka sa bagong kalabog Sa tugtugang pambayo, dali kakaibang tunog Sa pagsabog ng pangalan, kampo mananatili Hanggang sa pag-angat ng bangkat dito sa norte At wala nang pasindabi sa biglaang pag-usbong Ang pangalan kinilalang natatanging pulutong Na may kakaibang galawang hindi kayang bantayan Ang sino mang gustong humarang hindi masasabayan 100% ang lakas namin dito sa kampo Ang pabagsakin aming pagkat niyak yan ay malabo At mas lalong pinagtibay pa ang aming pundasyon At mas lalong pinalaro pa ang aming koneksyon At hindi na mapipigilan pa ang aming pag-angat Dahil maraming nagulantang sa aming unang paglapat Sa huling tugma kong bibitawan sa mikropono Ang sino mang magtatangka mabagsak parang domino
Umuurong na pangalan, grupo kong pinagmulan Kampo at ang brilliant records, lagi mo tong tandaan Di kalidad bawat bira at may bigat bawat akma Mga pinurong may pangalan, tumutulong din sa kapwa Respetado bawat membro, may galang bawat isa Kumakalat na sa note, aming magandang replika Dumadami ding inggit sa aming magandang nagawa Sa aming likod kumakana kahit ano pinupuna Sukat na fact, mga bitter, wala kaming pake Sige, isumo nyo burat kong napakalaki Gawalan ng gawa kahit wala namang patutunguhan Ganyan o basta pag wala namang napatutunayan Ang ay primera klase dito sa Pangasinan Huwag kang bitter o lupong dahil kami ang number one Manimulang mabati namnamin ninyo itong maigi Brilliant records mga jong, respetado't mananatili
Sulit ang kampo, kailan may di magigiba Kailan may di mag-iiba, ugalit pagkakaisa Sino man lang bumaga, sure kill katang ina Kami ang kampo, di pamilya, kampo, di magiba Sulit ang kampo, kailan may di magigiba Kailan may di mag-iiba, ugalit pagkakaisa Sino man lang bumaga, sure kill katang ina Kami ang kampo, di pamilya, kampo, di magiba
Sunito kampo, ito ang una kong pira Ang mga para kong dala, tsak na ito ang pambara Sa mga gagong nagtangkang talangkang di rumirespeto Dapat lang na mapuputan, maputulang ka ng ulo Don't fuck with me maniga, baka pagsisihan mo Ang mga sinabi mo lamon sa aking bersikulo Daig ko pa si Michael Jordan kung usapang dakdak Tawagin mo ko teacher, ako at tagabagsak Ng mga estudyante kung umasta ay guro Kami ang hari sa lugar na kung saan walang bano Ang mga para ko bato, Barack Obama bato bro Walang palagang bato mo, ako si General Bato Solito kampo ang tunog, humarang sa amin ay tuhog Estilo namin ay hubog, buong pansa kinalabog Sige akyat sa may tuktok, hanggang ang buwan ay masuntok Sadyang ganyan lang talaga pag ang araw di mahabuan
Pinalo namin ng semento at ngayon naging konkreto Kampo namin binuo, di matibag ito'y sulido Heto na naman kami mga bastardong lirikal, mga sundalo sa hilaga, aming base militar. Kami na ang nag-iingay, mga inggit ay nilibing. Kaming alimaw sa laro, maghahasik pa ng lagim. Sa tugmaan ng mga letra, tuloy lang ang paggawa ng mga awitin at galawang kinainggitan nila. Sa naiibang mata, ako'y kilalang mapagbiro, pero magtago na kayo pag pinili ko magseryoso. 16 na linya sa bara na 8, nagsama-sama sa kulabo, mga tunay na sulido. Isubukan nyong hamunin at kami ay palagan, hindi naman kayo lalaban kung usapan bayagan. Nilubog ko na kayo, lista sa tala-arawan, mga sagot ay agilapin sa aking palaisipan. Sulit ang kampo, kailan may di magigiba, kailan may di mag-iiba, ugalit pagkakaisa. Sino man na bumaga, sure kill katangina. Kami ang kampo, di pamilya, kampo, di magiba. Sulit ang kampo, kailan may di magigiba, kailan may di mag-iiba, ugalit pagkakaisa. Sino man na bumaga, sure kill katangina. Kami ang kampo, di pamilya, kampo, di magiba.
Masibagong palakpakan sa aming pagbabalik sa paglikha ng musika. Kami ay nananabik, mababaliw ang letra pag kami nagsama-sama. Ang lahat ay masaya, para bang may pesta. Sa pagtabak ko sa tablado na yanig ang norte, para pagbugbog ng martilyo sa loob ng korte. Ang hangad ko ay hustina sa larangan kong pinili, at ako'y magsisilbing tagapatay ng makapili. Mga pike, akala mo mabibigat na ay wala namang halaga, zero value ang tanga. Hinalihan ko masyado kaya kayo ay negatibo. Positibo, kami ang numero 1. Ayoko na ang magbiro, masyado na akong naging seryoso. Para bang pagmamahal ko dito sa solidong kampo. Dito sa Pangasinan, nag-iisa lang ang batas, at lagi mong tatandaan ang nangangalang nakaras.
Pinagsasakin ng mikropono, ako ang panghuli. Kompletos, regados na at nakasalang sa kawali. Bawat sang kapo at regado sa panlasa nyo ay swak. Kung ikaw tagabagsak, tagakitil ako ng wak. May pagsabayan sa mga hamon ng pintuang mabusok. Bawat trahedya na sinuong nagpatuloy sa tuktok. Putok na ang pangalan namin sa lupalop nagmarka. Pag sinabing kampo ay solido to at di basta. Umasta ka na matigas, wala ka pang napatunayan. Dito sa Pangasinan, ang kampo ay pinagtibayan. Ang lakas ng kupunan ay may dugong mandirigma. Ito ang tama, tatamaan, may diin bawat akma. Kung sintonado ay tablado'y sa ako sa general. Kung papalaglalapagan ko ng harap ko literal. Pinanghawakan ng pangalang na pabilang na sa kampo. Ang pamilya na tinuring kung sandalan at solido.
Sulit ang kampo, kailan may di magigiba, kailan may di mag-iiba, ugalit pagkakaisa. Sino man na bumaga, sure kill katangina. Kami ang kampo, di pamilya, kampo, di magiba. Sulit ang kampo, kailan may di magigiba, kailan may di mag-iiba, ugalit pagkakaisa. Sino man na bumaga, sure kill katangina. Kami ang kampo, di pamilya, kampo, di magiba. Sulit ang kampo, kailan may di magigiba, kailan may di mag-iiba, ugalit pagkakaisa. Sino man na bumaga, sure kill katangina. Kami ang kampo, di pamilya, kampo, di magiba. Sulit ang kampo, kailan may di magigiba, kailan may di mag-iiba, ugalit pagkakaisa. Sino man na bumaga, sure kill katangina. Kami ang kampo, di pamilya, kampo, di magiba.
And a bell. We got 2 rounds, 1 minute each. Alright? So give it, bam, give it all. Okay. Spa. Okay, sorry. Okay. 1 round, 2 rounds. We got 2 rounds, 1 minute each. Let's go. We got Lil Hostile first. Seconds. Okay. We got a bell. Okay. Let's go. 30 seconds to build. You got 30 seconds to build. 30 seconds. You got 10 seconds. Oh. 15 seconds. Okay. A judge's decision in 3, 2, 1. Okay. We got a little whole side going to the finals. Let's go on. Philip versus Soldier Massacre. Okay. 2 rounds, 1 minute. 1 minute each. Alright?
Shake that ass, girl, girl. Go, girl, 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 go. Shake that ass, girl. Go, 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 go. Shake that ass, girl. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Y'all already know when I'm a bounce. The flow sounds sick, I don't drink drums, nigga. I ain't stupid, I see dollars in my door. From my town to bounce that ass, girl. I can jump in here, front in here, little thump in here. Oh, so good, so grimy, what's good? I signed the Benz on dubs, I'm in the club with the snug, don't start that, it won't be nothing. Shake that ass, girl.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Follow Philip. Yo, 1 minute, bro.
Shake that ass, girl. Shake that ass, girl. Everybody stand up. Everybody put your hands up. Let's party. Everybody bounce with me. Some champagne and a little greenery. It's hot. Disco Inferno. Get my drink on, nigga, on the dance floor. Little homie, I don't dance, all I do is this. Singing 2-step with a little twist. Listen, pimpin', I ain't new to this, I'm true to this. Pay attention, boy, I teach you how to do this shit. You miss me with a free school, carry on. Let me see, you know we finna carry on.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Shake that ass, girl.
Round 2. We got Soldier Massacre. A judge's decision in 3, 2, and 1.
Wow, ganda.
Okay, we got Soldier Massacre going to the finals.
Ano bang sinabi mo? Anong labang hindi ko naintindihan? Isa ka bobo, tignan mo sapatos mo. Galing Divisoria, halata na yan. Luma na yan, di ba?
Sabi ng Divisoria sa iyo ay galing sa nakaw. Ganito lang talaga, paglingan mo ay kwakaw. Di ka mananalo sa akin at malabo mong maabot. Ang panalo ko dito ngayon sa akin ay kay sa sound.
Hapit na hapit para kang suman. Bagay ka nga dito sa dagupan. Pinapasok mo ngayon dito sa microphone. Tandaan mo, tuta paki mo.
Kung ako mukhang suman, ikaw mukhang kwek-kwek. Ganyan lang talaga kapag pinagri ka sa pek-pek mo, diba? Huwag ka na bari sa akin magangas. Sigurado yung mga buhok mo pre naglalagas.
Ano nalagas? Ano ko may cancer na tulad mo? Si dentist, rapist, si badat, agaya mo. Kaya ngayon, pakinggan mo ngayon. Ang balat ko na drop mo doon, tirahin mo. Kung kaya mo.
Mas diba na kagaya ko, kamusta ka naman? Diba tropa mo sa kayo yung nagtuturuan? Diba manyakis ka, di mo rin iyong alam. Siguro ganyan talaga kapag libog kumakalat.
Nilalapakan ng tula, bawat tutong na marinig. Isinusulat sa papel, mga kagabaw at patay. Sa taong gulang pa lamang, ito na ang aking hilig. Dito nagsimula ang aking bagong kabanata. Mga bagong hakbang ng isang tunay na makata. Gamit ang mikropono, ipapakita ang talento. Sa larangan ng musika, ako'y magsisilbing sundalo sa malakas na agos. Hindi ako pakatagay sa dami na pinagdaanan. Ay mas lalo at tumibay, handang harapin bagong yuto na kapalaran. Sanang ako'y tula, kahit mahirap susubukan. Papasukin ang larangan na walang pag-aalilangan. Kahit kanino, hanggang lumaban ang harapan. Baguban, what's up?
Hitting on the camera, hitting so hard that she's on the humor. Billy Dan Wade, what you do? Don't recognize so bad. I'm a big dog, all I do is hustle. This is got a problem, this is on the base. I got no problem. Don't be that guy, the government fighting, government failing, government stealing. Gotta hit him under the killing, under the hold him in the chamber. They got that way, it's really not a record. Got another way to the streets of the place.
Okay. Thank you. Here's the bomb. Kuya Kanto, Kuya Ron, thank you. BK, bintay mo ako. Gusto ko makikumanta. Salaw niyo. Opo, thank you. Okay, K1, thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat, Discipline, Wizzy siya, NRBG. Ayun, thank you.
Aaron, pass the ball. Dinang ko siya. Panalo ang Pilipino ngayon. Aaron, yeah! Panalo ang Pilipino. Kahit naman yung pagkak ko.
Okay, maraming salamat, Discipline, Wizzy siya. Thank you so much.
Okay, before we head to the finals, we'll be having our judges showcase para makapagpahinga naman natin ang mga finalists.
2 minutes.
Yeah. We're going to have our judges showcase. First up, repping Chief Ruckus. Chief Ruckus. We have Mr. Eamon Hippolito. Oh shit.
Still like footwork, fight, just get super сюда, покажество фишки, руки захватит сюда. Мы здесь со слайда создавая эмиссии, движениями шикарно опишем музыку. Не забудь про feeling, не желаешь друзей, oh really? Damn, мне тяжело поверить в это, когда всех бред, невозможно быть в сторонке где-то.
We got Ryoko, De La Cruz from North City.
This is the remix.
Okay, for our finals, we have Soldier Massacre and Lil Hostile.
Let's go!
Back the city represents. Soldier Massacre.
This is the remix.
Let's go! Let's go!
This is the remix. This is the remix. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the remix.
Lil Hostile. Lil Hostile.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the remix.
One's white, but everybody's still too long.
This is the new element. Gonna get so fine tonight. But I have to know.
Gonna get you on the floor, good looking. Hey, going out so hot.
You know what? You know what? You know what?
So that's our third round, and that's our judges' final decision, and our Campo All Styles Battle Part 2, our Volume 2 All Styles Champion is we have Lil Hostile. We have Lil Hostile Hour 2017 Campo All Stars Battle Volume 2 Champion.
Thank you sa DJ natin. Walang iba kundi si Jet Skill and Mad Skill. Thank you, sir.
Ako ko si Dexter kasi pawis yung medyas niya.
Okay, nanalo daw si Hostel kasi inagis yung medyas. Sabi ni Juan Paulo.